like how to get 1000 subscribers for the channel. So guys, we have to go to Google Play Store or internet browser, you see me, and type in this. Yeah, vlog girl, so I don't know, I take live video, you see me. I don't know, you see me. They are back with another one. You see it. Just do a video to make the whole world know, so yeah, finally make it to 1000 subscribers, you see me. So all I have to do you know, tune in, you see me. Don't know, you can't drop out something, you go on, you see pretty. Yeah, vlog girl, as you can see, just pass 1000 people, them say, yo, just keep on support the channel, because the channel is going good, sake of only, you see, pretty. You see me, yeah, man, I tell you, so yo, thing I go on shot, you see me. So I beg you to just continue, like, share and subscribe, you see me. Turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified as I post a video, so you get notified, you see pre. So I just big up all the people who like, share and subscribe, you see me. And make the channel reach 1000 subscribers now. Yo, I'm grateful for that. And just know say yo, I love all I want to see them, you see me. So all me I beg you man, just like, share and subscribe, you see me, and turn on the post notification bell, you see me. Cause right now the channel I get lit and lit every other day. You see pre. So all me I say man, just like, share and subscribe. You see me, and turn on the post notification bell. Chop a lifestyle shootout boy, head for a mile. Yeah man, own a deal with vlog girl. Don't know your boy X Gang. I'm back at it again with another one, you see pre. And from the title, y'all know what go on, you see pre. Just surpass 1000 subscribers, you see pre. Yeah man, I'm here say yo, chop a lifestyle. Yeah man, on a day with vlog world. Based on the title, you don't know what go on. You see pre. Yeah man, your boy X Gang back at it again with another one. Yeah man, yo people, right now I'm happy, I can't even start move. Cause I don't even know what just going right now. We just passed 1000 subscribers, you see pre. I reach out to everyone I wanna make know say yo, thanks for your support, you see pre. And yo, wanna just keep on like, share and subscribe to the channel, you see pre. Yo, big up the people in IGCM way. You see me? Pranks, a bag of things, a bag of comedy and a bag of things, you see free people. So I say you wanna turn on the post notification bell so as I post you know what I go on, you see free. Yeah man, your boy X Gang. And we out here with another one, you see free. Plus a bust a video to make you know say yo, new video come out to me, you see free, and we just reach 1000 subscribers so we can start at it again, you see free. Yeah man, I say you wanna like, share and subscribe, you see me right now. Feel hot you right now, that you don't even know. I say you wanna like, share and subscribe and turn on the post notification bell, you see free. Remember X Gang, Steel X Gang, you see me look on the back. Me gone, me still there. So yeah, you know like how to get 1000 subscribers for the channel. So guys, we have to go to Google Play Store or internet browser, you see me, and type in this in a search box, U-sub, you see pre, not Y-O-U, you know, the letter U sub, you see pre. Yeah man, so you use that and also use Facebook and Instagram and share on the video them so people can see it. So it's basically a little promotion and I put on so you can, you know, keep traffic generating to on YouTube. You see me, so I just hard work, you see me, just put in your work and it will pay off, you see pre. And yeah, remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell when I have to do video like these so your people can tune into the thing and know what they have to do, you see me. So yo, just like, share, subscribe, turn on all post notification bells, you see me. As you subscribe and I see one bell come up, so you just touch that little bell there. And you see me, yeah. You see pre. Until the next video, your boy Steel X, and we out here and we there back with another one. You see me, so like, share, subscribe, you see pre, and turn on the post notification bell. We out.